Model, 68-plate Vauxhall Vivaro PRIMASTAR TRAFIC 27001.6 CDTI, 95, L1H1 ready-to-go ultra-low miles open-mouth smile. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 55,931. Engine, 1,598 cc 1.695 PSE6. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Brakes will need replacing shortly open-mouth smile. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 0 former keepers, electric windows, parking sensors. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07400